What's going on, my fellow YouTubians? So today I got a video. I got some U.S. Mint stuff. Came in the mail today. Um, it's definitely 3 American Silver Eagle proofs. The 2022 San Francisco Mint. This is what the boxes look like if you're looking for a sealed one. There's really no benefit of leaving this sealed and selling it as a package of 3 sealed because you're not going to beat the first strike, first day of issue, like all the massive resellers that already beat you to the punch, which they're selling theirs for like $145 on eBay. The raw with certificate of eligibility or certificate of authenticity, the box and all, they're selling roughly around 95, as low as 88, which 88 is kind of dumb. So this is sealed. I have not opened this yet. I just got it today. The heck did I order it? What is today? Today's the 15th. I believe I ordered it was it the 11th when it came out? I don't know. Sorry if I'm wrong about the date. Anyways, let me cut this open. Let's see what it looks like. I'm excited. I haven't looked at it yet. All right, a little cutting here. A little cut up there. And my postman makes me so nervous because they always show that the item's been delivered, but then like they just scan it. They pre-scan it in their truck. So I don't know where you guys live, if your postman does the same thing, but it makes me nuts because, like, you know, I don't get really expensive coins in the mail, but I mean, this is kind of expensive. It's like 200, what is it? $73 a piece. So is that 239 bucks? Oh, and I finally got free shipping after 3 orders. My last order was the U.S. Marine medal, which I sold the same day. That was a cool medal, so I did a video on that. And then what was my order before that? Oh, I think I ordered just like some mint sets. Oh, no. I ordered the congratulations set. And I did a video on that, and that was stupid because I opened it. So I ended up bringing it to my local coin shop, and they gave me like $2 under what I paid for each one. That was really dumb. So congratulations to me. You're a dummy. Don't open congratulations sets. But these are okay to open. All right, so some facts about this. Wow, the packaging looks exactly like the W. I didn't order the W. The W mint mark is what it is. But here, see, free shipping, handling. What a bargain if you order 3. So I got these for $73 a piece. So this is my thinking behind this, and let me know if you guys agree. When did I order it? Okay, it was the 10th. Sorry, so I was off by a day. So whatever. I ordered the 10th, got the 5th. That's pretty fast. Okay, so they made 200,000 of these mintage. Pretty low for a proof. To compare it is the 2019 S San Francisco mint mark. So the way I look at these, it's like, okay, does it make sense to hold on to this and, you know, wait years and years and years to get your money back, or go ahead, hurry up and submit it, try and get a first strike or first day of issue? Dude, no, don't do that. That's like a waste of money. You're going to spend all this extra money on grading. You're not going to get the volume discounts like the big resellers do. So here's our lovely, beautiful U.S. Mint box. You guys do an awesome job on packaging. It's like awesome, so refreshing. Just kidding. It's so cheap. But do not submit these for first strike and all that. Like, dude, you guys are not gonna win. And everyone thinks like, oh, it's West Point, dude. Like, what are you showing me? No. It's San Francisco. Says right here, certificate of authenticity, San Francisco. So I looked at what was I saying? The 2019 San Francisco Mint, they actually produced 198,000. So probably it was allocated for 200,000. Again, that was the type 1. Those are selling for about $105 raw in this type of condition. So this is not going to be your superstar enhanced reverse proof 2019 San Francisco, I believe it was, that is scoring like $2,000 for raw or graded because they only made like 27,000 of it. But I think in the long term, if you're going to collect something like this, it will have some numismatic value later on because, again, they only made 200,000 of these. And there's one reseller on eBay, like, dude's already sold like 988 of these. It's like, yeah, dude, must be nice. Like, you and I can only order 3. We got to like hurry up and get it the day of or sign up for like the pre-order stuff. So like I logged in the day it came out. I got the release. The actual text did work. I was not home. I was on vacation and I ordered it on the plane right as it was taking off. So I was like, heck yeah, like I had better success ordering it from my cell phone on a plane using their Wi-Fi right before takeoff versus like my laptop at home. So it was a good success. So anyways, this is the Proof 2022 San Francisco Mint. If you are going to resell these, I would resell them now. I'm going to list mine for $95. Now, granted, guys, I have a store. I do pay eBay a $30 a month subscription. I do get a significant discount, so I get to sell bullion for 8% total fee. But most of the resellers on there, they're getting charged at least 10, 11%. So the difference, what I do is I actually take a picture of the coin. I do take it out of the capsule carefully and take pictures of the coins. So I'll take 12 photos of each coin. So I'll list it A1, B1, and C1, or A1, A2, A3. And that's how I list it. I'll just list it for $95. If it sells, great. If it doesn't, then it sells later. Again, no big hurry to make, small profit on the proofs. But I do like to share the hobby with others. So like I don't want someone like feeling they got ripped off either. If I go way above market, there's no reason for it. But I like, these are so hard to get out. I like them raw. I don't like these in slabs. I do know there's a time and place for stuff to be in slabs, but what is a proof 70 gonna get you on this, something like this? Maybe $120. You want to go ahead and spend $40 to get it slab, go ahead and spend $40 and get it slab. If you got it originally for 73, spend 40, you're at 113 just to earn a coin that's, 125. Fantastic. But these look like the US Mint did a nice job on these. I don't see any ugly marks so far. The capsules aren't perfect, but so far these two, again, that's just stuff from the capsule. They've done a nice job. And I really don't know why like so many people are slamming Silver Eagles. Like, dude, what's wrong with you guys? Like, do you have a massive hoard of them and you're just pissed off because you like overpaid for them last year? Like, dude, big deal. Like, they go up and down. Yeah, I overpaid for a lot of them last year too. And yeah, I sold a lot and I brought a lot to my local coin shop and I just used it as money to buy raw Morgans and flip them, so I get like why some people are upset, but there's so many people just slamming, don't buy the Eagle, don't buy the Eagle, don't pay the premium. It's like, dude, it's more than just a bullion coin. It's America. Enjoy what you like. Buy what you like. Buy what you like to stack. So it just cracks me like all these other channels like, oh, this don't buy the Eagle, don't buy the Eagle. But the dealer's like, oh, I won't even buy Eagles or sell them because their premiums are too high. It's like, yeah, you guys just don't have them. You don't have people bringing them in to sell you. Or you just got, people that want to just stack the lower premium silver, which I can appreciate. But guys, this is America. Land of the free. This is a badass coin. You should collect it if you like American Eagles. There's nothing wrong with collecting American Eagles. There's absolutely nothing wrong. I have been attracted to these bad boys since I was like 1986. I was 10. I mean, look at this reverse proof I picked up. I showed in a prior video. Like, guys, something like this, like, that's awesome. It's an awesome design. People love this design. I love when these things tone. I love the the 75th anniversary. They only made 75 of these. 75,000 of these. So I grabbed this from another eBayer back in 2020 because I wasn't fast enough to get it for $85 or whatever they're selling it for back then in 2020. So I paid up for this. I paid like $540 for it. I have this listed in my shop for like $675, which is a good price. Not too many people have the V75 and they put the label on the back. I love this. I love these coins though. Like there's nothing wrong with the Silver Eagle. I like them so much. Like I got a bunch of 1986 graded ones, and this is my display, or this is my store icon for eBay. This actual coin, like that's cool. Like that's original. Probably from a Littleton or from a holder, but like, it's gold shield. One of my favorite coins, obviously. The 1996. Again, this is my fire coin. So this under the True View looks like a 1996 American Eagle on fire. It's just really cool toning versus kind of boring. But it's actually, these things are cool. Like I took pictures of from the True View, and like this turquoise up here was not there originally in the True View, and it's just like growing. So I'm kind of understanding like why the tone coins go for so much. So again, we're in America, guys. Some people say, oh, collect the kangaroo, the Australian. Dude, Australia has kangaroos. Like, yeah, it's a nice 1 ounce of silver. Yeah, the premium's lower, but it's a freaking kangaroo. It's not Lady Liberty. It's not the Eagle of Freedom. Oh, but wait. What about England? Collect your Britannias. That has the best premium. I've heard so many channels say the Britannias are where it's at right now for low premiums, but are we really supporting England? Like, dude, who's this lady? Like, we don't care about her. We're Americans. We want our hot dogs, our ribs. We don't want a cup of tea. You can take your cup of tea and dump it in the sea. Like, well, what about this coin? This coin's cool. Yeah, dude, it's Korean. That's awesome. I mean, it's a great, beautiful design. I actually think the Koreans do an awesome job on their mint. But, guys, it's Korea. I love their food. Don't get me wrong. Give me a little bibimbap or, the Kias and the Hyundais I see all around my town. Fantastic, but it's not an eagle. It's not Lady Liberty. I know some of you guys don't like this, or gals and girls, or guys and gals, they don't like the reverse, but this reverse in proof is awesome. Not a huge fan on the standard bullion one, but on the proofs, it's pretty cool. She did a nice job. Elizabeth, I think her name is. Well, what about the Philharmonic? Maybe. Yeah, I got this at a low premium, but when I got it, it's a little thicker. It's kind of a boring coin. It's a bunch of musical instruments. I don't know. It just reminds me of like going to the opera. And an Austrian is, reminds me of Arnold Schwarzenegger. So it's like, yeah, collect this coin. Yeah. I don't know. It's not the symbol of freedom. It's not Lady Liberty, land of the free. This guy has been selling like crazy. This Geiger Bear, I got like 2 left. I should have bought way more. It's a beautiful proof-like coin made by Geiger, which is German, the German mint, which is really confusing because this is a Congo coin, but it's made by Geiger Mint. They do awesome jobs. So I like the Silver Eagle. I don't, I like to collect certain ones, and yeah, I list everything in my store, but this coin's awesome. So support your local coin shops, buy American Silver Eagles. I mean, you can buy them straight from the U.S. Mint when they come out. You get it for $73. You place 3 orders a year. Your third order is free. So this must have been my 3rd order. Oh, and beware of sellers So there's some comps already. Like someone sold it for $87.50 on eBay with free shipping. So, and they don't sell a lot, so you can tell like they think they're making like all this profit and they're not. So the coin cost them $73 from the US Mint. If they got 3 of them and this is not their third order, they paid at least $1.95. That's $4.95 divided by 3. So that's the cost from the US Mint. Shipping, you can't ship anything, even first class, for under $4. Not a box like this. No way. Maybe an envelope under 4 ounces. Yeah, you can get away with like $3.40. But that's like with discounted. You're an awesome. You sell a ton of stuff on eBay. Box and packing. Believe it or not, boxes aren't cheap. Like, go ahead, go to Walmart and buy a box and buy packing. It's gonna be more than $1. So even if you buy in bulk, like I do buy boxes to ship like Hot Wheels and other stuff and comics. And I think the best I ever got was like 50 cents a box, and I was buying like a big bulk of it. And then there's the eBay fee, which is about 10% plus their 30-cent fee, because eBay handles all the payments. So the cost was $88.95. That seller sold it for $87.50. They lost $1.45. And then I put why? Why would you lose $1.45? Why would you spend time listing, taking pictures of a coin, packing it up, shipping it, slapping a label on there, getting in your car, driving to the post office, dropping it off to lose $1.45? Like, why? So if you felt you bought too many of these, bring them to your local coin shop and use them as currency. Your local coin shop will appreciate something like this. They probably will pay you $73. They'll probably might even pay a little bit less depending on what they can resell it for. I mean, they got to make a profit. So don't be insulted if they're like, yeah, I'll give you $70 for it. Which kind of sucks if you paid $73 plus the shipping. But at least you can use it to flip into something else. So if you did order 3 of them, you only want to keep one, like the nicest one, and you want to get rid of the other 2, and you don't feel like selling it on eBay like some of these other fools and losing money. Again, I'm going to list mine for $95. My fees are lower. I'll probably make $10 a coin. Whoop-de-doo. But I do it in volume, right? So this is not the only thing I'll be selling. So if you want to buy these coins I'm showing, that everything I showed in this video, I do have listed in my store. But if you want to buy these new 2022 San Francisco minted coins, they will be listed in my store for $95. I will clearly take pictures of what you're getting. I don't just use the stock photo and you get a random one. You'll actually get the coin that I take photos of. Yeah, I make $10, but it's fun. I get to share the hobby. And if I don't sell them for $95 and they end up dropping, I'll just bring them to my coin shop, use it as currency, and whatever I got left, I'll use it to buy Morgans or 1986 silver, whatever they got in stock, whatever's a good deal today. So please like, share, subscribe, and keep buying American Silver Eagles. They're awesome. I don't care what people say. Yeah, the premium's high, but guys, these are awesome coins. They've always been awesome, and they will continually be awesome. So appreciate it. You guys have a good rest of your night. Bye-bye.